Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's out there? The vast universe, the sparkling stars, and the mysterious planets, they're all waiting to be explored. But here's the catch. You don't need to be an astronaut to dive into astronomy. All you need is a telescope. And today, we're bringing you the best beginner telescopes that won't burn a hole in your pocket and will make your stargazing journey unforgettable. Stick around till the end for a special bonus tip to enhance your experience. Stargazing is not just a hobby, it's a way to connect with the universe. Telescopes work by collecting light from distant objects and magnifying them. This allows you to see celestial bodies in greater detail. Whether it's the craters on the moon or the rings of Saturn, a good telescope can bring the wonders of the universe closer to you. So let's dive into the top 3 beginner telescopes that will make your stargazing experience truly magical. Let's kick things off with the first telescope on our list. The Celestron 70mm travel scope is perfect for beginners. Lightweight and portable, it comes with a 70mm aperture, which means more light enters the scope, giving you brighter and sharper images of celestial objects. Whether it's the craters of the moon or the rings of Saturn, this scope brings them to life. The best part? It's incredibly easy to set up, no tools required. Grab yours today using the link in the description. Users rave about its ease of use and the stunning views it provides. One user mentioned, "I was amazed at how clear the moon's craters appeared. It's a fantastic starter telescope." Additional features include a full-height tripod and a custom backpack for easy transport. The adjustable tripod ensures stability on any surface, and the backpack makes it convenient to take your telescope anywhere. Whether you're heading to a remote location or just your backyard, the Celestron 70mm travel scope is your perfect stargazing companion. Don't miss out on the wonders of the night sky. Order your Celestron 70mm travel scope today and start your stargazing adventure. Next up is the Orion StarBlast 4.5 Astro Reflector telescope. This tabletop reflector telescope is compact but powerful. With a wide field of view, it's excellent for viewing deep sky objects like star clusters and nebulae. Plus, its sturdy build makes it perfect for both kids and adults. So, if you're ready to explore the universe beyond our solar system, this one's for you. The Orion StarBlast 4.5 features a 4.5-inch aperture, allowing for bright and clear images of celestial objects. Compared to other beginner telescopes, the StarBlast 4.5 stands out with its ease of use and superior optics. It comes with an equatorial mount, which makes tracking celestial objects smooth and precise. The package includes essential accessories like eyepieces and a finder scope, enhancing your stargazing experience. Whether you're observing the moon, planets, or deep sky objects, the Orion StarBlast 4.5 delivers impressive performance. It's also a fantastic educational tool, making it a great choice for families and budding astronomers. Its portability means you can take it to different stargazing locations with ease. The Orion StarBlast 4.5 Astro Reflector is a versatile and powerful telescope, perfect for any beginner looking to explore the night sky. If affordability and quality are what you're looking for, the Gskyer AZ70400 is a fantastic choice. It offers high magnification with its 400mm focal length and multiple eyepieces. Plus, it's beginner-friendly and comes with a smartphone adapter. Imagine capturing stunning celestial images directly on your phone. This telescope is a game-changer for aspiring astrophotographers. Setting up the Gskyer AZ70400 is straightforward. The adjustable tripod ensures stability on any surface. Attach the eyepiece, adjust the focus, and you're ready to explore the night sky. Pair it with a star map app to easily locate celestial objects. Capture detailed images of the moon and planets with the smartphone adapter. Share your astrophotography on social media and join a community of stargazers. When you're done, pack it up in the convenient carrying case for easy transport. The Gskyer AZ70400 makes stargazing accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Now, as promised, here's a bonus tip for beginners. Invest in a good star map or download a stargazing app. Tools like Sky Safari or Stellarium can help you locate stars, constellations, and even planets in real time. It's like having a personal guide to the universe. Remember to keep your telescope clean. Dust and smudges can affect your viewing experience. Use a red flashlight to preserve your night vision while reading star maps or adjusting your telescope. And finally, bring a comfortable chair and a blanket. Stargazing can take time and you want to be comfortable. Enjoy the wonders of the night sky. There you have it, 3 amazing telescopes perfect for beginners and a pro tip to kickstart your stargazing adventure. Whether you're exploring the moon's surface, Saturn's rings, or distant galaxies, these telescopes are your gateway to the stars. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more amazing science and tech content, and don't forget to check out the links in the description to get your telescope today. The universe is waiting for you. Happy stargazing! Share your stargazing experiences in the comments below. Gap 2S. Before we wrap up, let's delve into how to choose the right telescope for your needs. This guide will help you make an informed decision, taking into account your budget and the key features to look for. Gap 1S. First, consider your budget. Telescopes can range from under $100 to several $1,000s. If you're just starting out, it's wise to start with a budget-friendly option. This will allow you to get a feel for stargazing without a huge investment. The Celestron 70mm travel scope and the Gskyer AZ70400 telescope are great examples of affordable, beginner-friendly options. Gap 1S. Next, think about what you want to observe. If you're interested in viewing planets and the moon, a telescope with a higher magnification and a smaller aperture will suffice. However, if you're keen on exploring deep sky objects like galaxies and nebulae, you'll need a telescope with a larger aperture, such as the Orion StarBlast 4.5 Astro Reflector. Gap 1S. Portability is another key factor. If you plan on transporting your telescope to different locations, a lightweight and compact model is essential. The Celestron 70mm travel scope is perfect for this, as it's designed for easy travel. Gap 1S. Don't forget about the mount. A stable mount is crucial for clear and steady observations. There are 2 main types, altazimuth and equatorial. Altazimuth mounts are simpler and easier to use, making them ideal for beginners. Equatorial mounts, on the other hand, are more complex but provide better tracking of celestial objects as they move across the sky. Gap 1S. Finally, consider the additional features. Some telescopes come with computerized mounts that automatically locate celestial objects for you. Others include smartphone adapters for easy astrophotography. These features can enhance your stargazing experience but may also increase the cost. Gap 1S. Remember, the best telescope for you is one that fits your needs and budget. Take your time to research and choose wisely. Happy stargazing. Gap 1S. And that's it for today's video. If you have any questions or need further advice, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow stargazers. Until next time, keep looking up. Before we conclude, let's go through a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up and align your telescope for the best viewing experience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned stargazer, these tips will ensure you get the most out of your telescope. First, find a stable and flat surface to place your telescope. This will prevent any wobbling and ensure clear, steady observations. Set up the tripod and make sure it's firmly grounded. Next, attach the telescope tube to the mount. If you're using an altazimuth mount, simply place the tube on the mount and secure it with the provided screws. For an equatorial mount, you'll need to align the mount with the Earth's axis. This involves adjusting the latitude scale to match your location's latitude and pointing the mount's polar axis towards the North Star Polaris. Once the mount is set up, it's time to insert the eyepiece. Start with a low-power eyepiece, which provides a wider field of view and makes it easier to locate objects. Secure the eyepiece in the focuser and tighten the screws. Now let's align the finder scope. The finder scope is a small telescope attached to the main tube that helps you aim the telescope at celestial objects. During the day, point your telescope at a distant object, such as a tree or building, and center it in the main eyepiece. Then, adjust the finder scope so that the same object is centered in its crosshairs. For nighttime alignment, use a bright star or planet. Center the object in the main eyepiece and then adjust the finder scope accordingly. If you have a computerized mount, follow the manufacturer's instructions for initializing the system. This usually involves inputting your location and the current date and time. The mount will then guide you through a star alignment process, where you'll center several bright stars in the eyepiece to calibrate the system. Finally, fine-tune the focus. Slowly adjust the focuser knob until the object appears sharp and clear in the eyepiece. If you're using a higher power eyepiece, you may need to make additional adjustments. And there you have it. Your telescope is now set up and aligned, ready for a night of stargazing. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use your telescope, the more comfortable you'll become with the setup process. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below. Happy stargazing, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow astronomy enthusiasts. Until next time, keep looking up. Now that your telescope is set up and aligned, let's talk about the best times and locations for stargazing. Choosing the right time and place can significantly enhance your stargazing experience, allowing you to see celestial objects more clearly and in greater detail. First, let's discuss the best times for stargazing. The ideal time to observe the night sky is during a new moon or when the moon is below the horizon. A bright moon can wash out the light from stars and other celestial objects, making them harder to see. Additionally, the hours just after sunset and just before sunrise, known as twilight, are excellent for spotting planets and bright stars. Seasonal changes also play a role in stargazing. Different constellations are visible at different times of the year, so plan your observations accordingly. For example, winter nights are often clearer and provide a better view of the Orion constellation, while summer nights are great for spotting the Milky Way. Next, let's talk about locations. To get the best view of the night sky, you'll need to find a location with minimal light pollution. Light pollution from streetlights, buildings, and cars can significantly reduce the visibility of stars and other celestial objects. Try to get as far away from city lights as possible. National parks, rural areas, and designated dark sky reserves are excellent choices for stargazing. When choosing a location, also consider the altitude. Higher elevations tend to have clearer skies and less atmospheric interference, leading to better visibility. Mountains, hills, and elevated plateaus are great places to set up your telescope. Here are a few additional tips to enhance your stargazing experience. 1. Use a red flashlight to preserve your night vision. 1. Check the weather forecast before heading out. 1. Dress warmly, especially in colder months. 1. Bring a star chart or a stargazing app to help you identify constellations and celestial objects. By choosing the right time and location and following these tips, you'll maximize your stargazing experience. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any favorite stargazing spots or additional tips, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow astronomy enthusiasts. Until next time, keep looking up and enjoy the wonders of the night sky. Now that we've covered the essentials of stargazing, let's hear from some passionate amateur astronomers. These enthusiasts have spent countless nights under the stars, and their experiences and tips can be invaluable for beginners. Astronomer 1. Hey everyone, I'm Sarah, and I've been stargazing for over 5 years now. One tip I always give to beginners is to start with a plan. Know what you want to see and when it's visible. Apps like Stellarium or Sky Safari can be incredibly helpful. Astronomer 2. Hi, I'm Mike. One of the most important things I've learned is patience. Sometimes the sky won't cooperate, and that's okay. Use those nights to read up on astronomy or plan future stargazing sessions. Astronomer 3. Hello, I'm Jasmine. My advice for newcomers is to join a local astronomy club. Not only will you get access to better equipment, but you'll also learn a lot from experienced stargazers. Plus, it's a great way to make new friends who share your passion. Astronomer 4. Hey folks, I'm Raj. Don't be afraid to experiment with different telescopes and accessories. What works for one person might not work for another. Also, don't forget to document your observations. Keeping a stargazing journal helps track your progress and makes the experience more rewarding. These insights from experienced amateur astronomers can greatly enhance your stargazing journey. Remember, the night sky is vast and full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Keep learning, stay curious, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Thank you for joining us in this celestial adventure. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more stargazing tips and guides. Until next time, clear skies and happy stargazing.